Happy Monday, my friends, and welcome back to another work from home job lead. We'll keep today's job lead very short and sweet and to the point. I just want to quickly note that the links to everything I discuss are in the description box below. So that is where you can find the link to get to this web page to put your application in if you are interested. But with that being said, today's job is coming from the Pearl Interactive Network. Now, this is virtual work from home in the United States only. They are hiring a benefits generalist. And so a benefits generalist, what they do is provide benefit, leave management, and human resource administrative functions under the direction of the human resource manager. So you'll provide assistance with and facilitate the benefits and leave information for all the business functions and the contracts. So you'll be assisting with the administration of any of the company benefit programs. So employees that inquire about any of their benefit programs, helping them get enrolled, claims assistance, billing issues. You'll have to handle the FMLA leave. So you will have to maintain a reasonable communication with employees that are on leave to facilitate smooth and timely return to work. So this is an HR job. The work hours of this job are 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday. So you'll have to convert your time zone if you live outside of the Eastern Time Zone to that to make sure that that works for you. They do pay anywhere from $45,000 a year all the way up to $48,000 a year, depending on experience. They offer a full benefit package for you yourself, including medical, dental, vision, life insurance, paid time off, and 401k. So if this sounds like something that you are interested in, of course, they always prefer an associate's degree in human resources or related business field. However, that is not required. What is required is a high school diploma. They want someone who has 3 years experience working in some kind of administrative support capacity role. Someone who has great Microsoft Office skills, so Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Microsoft Outlook. Someone who can handle working in a fast-paced environment. Someone who can handle being confidential with the information, as you will have people's sensitive information. Someone who knows knowledge, ability to search and browse the internet proficiently, and the ability to quickly assess priorities and adjust your workload as needed. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.